I'm trying to take this away.
Touch fucking law.
All Rangers are pedophiles.
And then you wonder why fucking people don't fucking like you.
Back to blues. First Amendment, guys. I'm asking. First Amendment.
I'll back the blue when they pay me.
First Amendment.
We get it now. We get it.
What was last time you saw your genitalia, huh?
The street vendor ordinance.
I'm sorry, what's that?
It's a municipal code.
Hey, keep it up, don't be sorting the fucking country, you piece of shit. That's littering. That's fucking littering. Fuck you. Look at that, how's it doing? Instead of picking it up and throwing it down, you're fucking street. You're fucking decent. You're a piece of shit. Come on, state that I talked to you about. You've been touching me. You fucking physically fucking touched me. I told you I was going to protect myself. I said I would protect myself. Fuck you. You're a liar. It's all on video. You're a shit. And my other body channel. I'm not fucking telling you what's that.